In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim the start and end of your footage in Shotcut. Trimming is one of the simplest and most useful edits you can make. It lets you remove awkward pauses at the beginning, cut off extra moments at the end, and keep only the portion of the clip that matters. Best of all, this kind of trimming is non-destructive, which means you're just adjusting where the clip starts and ends in the timeline, not altering the original file. Once your footage is in the timeline, move your mouse to the very edge of the clip. As you hover over the left or right edge, you'll notice a small colored indicator appear. Shotcut shows green on one side and red on the other. These are your visual cues that you're in the right place to trim. When that colored sidebar appears, click and hold, then drag inward. Dragging from the left edge trims the beginning, and dragging from the right edge trims the end. As you drag, you'll see the clip get shorter in the timeline. Release the mouse when you've reached the point where you want your clip to begin or end. If you trimmed a little too aggressively, don't worry, because trimming is non-destructive. You can hover over the edge again and drag back outward to restore some of the frames you just removed. This makes it easy to fine-tune your in and out points without fear of making a permanent change. For a cleaner result, take a moment to play back your edit and check the timing. Listen for natural beats in the audio and look for visual cues that tell you the moment feels right. If your timeline has other clips, you may feel the edge snap to the next cut, which helps you line up edits neatly. If you need more precision, moving your mouse slowly as you drag will give you finer control, and zooming in on the timeline can help you see exactly where the trim will land. Keep repeating this hover, click, and drag action on either edge until your clip starts exactly where the action begins and ends, right where you want it to stop. It's a simple gesture, but it instantly makes your project more professional by eliminating dead space. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next editing tip.